I wanted to understand about all-time good old favorite banks, because now everyone is touting that this would be a leader. But do you think that it will continue to sustain that momentum going ahead, because the valuations have reached the reasonable levels, but we've seen a lot of buying also take place?
We have more selective positive view on BFSI. First, if you look at the valuations, I think valuations are attractive for almost the entire space, whether you look at private banks, public sector banks, and many of the NBFCs in the segment. However, we have to go selectively in terms of the metrics of growth, net interest margins, and asset quality in these companies. We are a little more biased towards private banks, but even some of the large PSU banks look attractive in terms of growth and valuation for this year. Yes, we have to wait for a certain trigger to come in terms of growth for these companies. So maybe we wait for a quarter or so. But valuations are attractive, good companies to pick up from, and triggers are there. In terms of NBFCs, they get directly benefit coming from the cut in interest rates. So liquidity improving, interest rates going down, they will benefit on their borrowing costs. However, in terms of on the lending side, on their asset quality side, we have to look at each segment differently, whether it is a gold financier, whether it is a MFI, whether it is a consumer lending company. We are positive on consumption, so consumer lending is positive view for us. We are also positive on gold lenders, but MFIs, we believe there is still a little more pain left in terms of changes in regulation, and certain higher loans that were given out may create some problem or stress for some time before they start moving up.